Howdy.
Did you get in the water?
The destination is on your right.
It's wrong. It's on your left.
Well, we made it to camp and we are with Taylor from Diamond State Off-Road.
I still haven't blinked.
What you making?
Filet mignon of the South. Hamburger. I'm picky. It's just a plain burger. But we got bacon and cheese. Look at the cheese pool.
Good morning, sir.
What's up?
Did you sleep well?
Slept great.
Because I slept horrible.
Slept great. I don't know how cold it was in the tent, but it was cold. So,
It was hot and humid for me.
AC problems.
We woke up, hung out, made breakfast, and now we are airing down because we're going to hit the trails. We'll see what we get into. But it's going to be a fun day. It's going to be a hot day. It's going to be a sweaty day. And this truck is not going to break because everything's good to go, right?
Like the walkie-talkie of shame.
So today, Taylor is following me, which is going to be pretty scary. Wonder why that is. But we'll be all right.
What about new parts?
But they crackle and pop.
I don't drive a Toyota. Got to show off, huh?
Four-wheel drive. Well guys, we just got to Bub's Cabin. This is a pretty iconic place out here in the Ozarks. Yeah, I said iconic. Is it iconic? Is iconic a good word to use?
Historic?
Historic. It's a pretty historic, popular place in the Ozarks. Well, we just made it to Union School, which is another popular historic stop. And then we're going to go that way and do the trail that's up there. There's a cool little well here. That's cool. Not off to a good start. I am sweating, and I gotta get to OARC at 2 p.m. because we're switching gears and we're gonna meet up with Baker Overland. But in the meantime, me and Taylor are gonna finish this trail, get the heck out of here because it's hot.
I have a feeling you're winching again.
We're making it so far.
There it is, without winching. Proper spotting, good driver that listens. Anything is possible.
So for video, what'd you think of the trail?
I loved it. That's probably one of my favorite trails in a long time. I like all the rock crawling stuff. I don't really care for mud, so ranks pretty high in my book.
Hell yeah. Met up with Baker. OARC Cafe was pretty dang good. I have never had it before. I didn't do any filming because I suck at videoing. But yeah. I got a bearing squealing, uh-oh. Oh well. But what we're doing is we're headed to Pilot Rock, and then from there I don't know, we're just driving.
Saw you in a vision. It's hard to be precise though, 'cause I was pretty sleep deprived. You were still polite though, like you were in the Bible. Turn the water.
Taylor, Baker, I have a bit of a problem.
What happened, Jacob?
Beats me. I'm a Murphy. Anything can go wrong at will.
Almost like a Baja pit stop around here. lights. We got our new chef over here, steak and potatoes tonight.
You gonna destroy my tacos?
Yes.
Oh boy.
There
Oh
you go.
gosh. That last squirt.
I've never had it, but it smells spicy.
Well, gee, thanks.
Tate from Overland Spices.
That's a pancake turning around.
Little burnt, little greasy, little perfect.
This is gonna be beautiful.